In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a Grafana dashboard with others. Hi, everyone. If you've built a dashboard you're proud of and want to get it in front of your team, I'll walk you through the simplest, most reliable ways to share it right from Grafana. First, open the dashboard you want to share. From the main Grafana menu, go to Dashboards, then All Dashboards. You can also click the Grafana icon, choose Dashboards, and then All Dashboards. Browse or search for the one you need and select it to open the full dashboard view. Take a moment to confirm you're on the correct dashboard and that the panels and time range look the way you want others to see them. Next, look for the Share button in the dashboard view. It's at the top, near the center, next to the dashboard title, and it uses an upward arrow icon. Click that Share Dashboard icon to open the sharing options. If you don't see it, make sure you have the right permissions to share, or that you're viewing the dashboard rather than editing a single panel. Now choose how you want to share. The link option is the quickest. It gives you a URL that you can send to colleagues who already have access to your Grafana. This keeps everything live and interactive, so they'll see the latest data using their permissions. If you need something that doesn't require a login, use Snapshot. A snapshot creates a static, read-only version of your dashboard at a specific moment in time. It's ideal for demos, reports, or sharing with people outside your Grafana environment. Just remember, it won't update with new data. It's a frozen view. Finally, Export lets you download the dashboard as a JSON file. This is helpful if you want to import the same dashboard into another Grafana instance, back it up, or share it with a different team that will set it up on their own. Once you've picked your method, it's time to send it. For a link or a snapshot, click Copy to grab the URL, then share it with your team through chat, email, or your preferred channel. If you exported a JSON file, attach that file wherever your team collaborates and let them know it's ready to import. And that's how you share a Grafana dashboard. Quick and easy. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe my channel.